We'll begin with our breathing techniques, sitting comfortably. You can either sit with your legs together, feet flat on the floor. Just make sure that your knees are level with the hips. You may need to elevate your feet with a cushion or a blanket. Or you can sit with your legs crossed. It's most important that you're comfortable. We'll begin with the belly breathing, which is the basis of all the breathing techniques. So close your eyes. Begin breathing in and out through your nostrils. Full, deep belly breaths. As you inhale, fill your belly like an imaginary balloon filling with air. And as you exhale, gently press your belly in. Inhaling and exhaling. Full, deep belly breaths. Make sure that you keep your teeth unclenched, placing the tip of your tongue on the ridge of the upper gum behind your two front upper teeth. This is called the fire point. It helps you to relax all the muscles around your jaw, face, and neck. So just continue with a pleasant look on your face, breathing in and out, filling your belly like an imaginary balloon fills up with air, exhaling as if the imaginary balloon were deflating. Breathing in and breathing out. Enjoy. Keeping your eyes closed. Just allow the breath to be natural. And the natural breath is that breath that you breathe throughout the day without thinking about it. Notice how you feel. And now opening your eyes. The next breathing technique is a sounding breath. It creates a beautiful sound like the ocean. This is the most nourishing and calming breath you can give to your mind, body, and soul. Closing your eyes. First, listen to the sound we'll be creating with the sounding breath. It's a beautiful sound. Sounding breath is done in and out through the nostrils, as if to breathe in and out through the back of the nostrils. To first learn this breath, it is important that we breathe in and out through the mouth a few times, creating the ha sound. So bring your hand up, and as if you have a mirror on your hand, we're going to exhale out of our mouth as if to fog up this mirror. And now as you inhale, as if you have a mirror at the back of your throat, we're going to inhale through the mouth, the ha sound, to fog up the mirror at the back of the throat. And we'll do this a few times. And now bring your hand down and closing your mouth with your tongue at fire point and a pleasant look on your face. Begin the sounding breath in and out through the back of the nostrils. We combine the sounding breath with the belly breathing. Breathing full, deep breaths, creating the sound of the ocean, nourishing our mind, body, and soul. Continue on and enjoy. Notice how you feel. Just come back now to the natural breathing, the breathing that you do throughout the day without thinking about it. Take a moment to receive the benefits of the sounding breath, which nourish and calm the mind, body, and soul. So opening your eyes, the next breathing technique is rhythmic breathing. This is a 4-part breath where we'll be breathing in twice and exhaling out twice. This breathing technique purifies the lungs and actually aligns us with the natural rhythms in the universe. Closing your eyes, we'll be breathing in through the nostrils twice and out through the nostrils twice. Remember to keep your tongue at fire point, and it's effort with ease. So let's begin. In, out, out. In, out, out. In, out, out. And remember to keep your tongue at fire point. And notice how you feel after the rhythmic breathing. Take a moment to receive the gifts and the benefits of rhythmic breathing, which energize, revitalize, and strengthen every single cell in your body. And now opening your eyes. Our next breath is called breath of fire. It's a rapid breathing in and out through the nostrils. For this breathing technique, please, if any of you are menstruating or pregnant, or for men and women, if you have high blood pressure that's not controlled, it's best not to do this breath. And just notice how you feel. If at any time this breathing is not feeling right, just stop and go back to the gentle belly breathing. And then if you feel like it, you can start again. Closing your eyes. Breath of fire is rapid breathing in and out through the nostrils. The breath in and out is no deeper than a sniffle in and a sniffle out. I'll be guiding you with the words, I am, I am. When I say I, it's a breath in, and when I say am, it's a breath out. When we exhale out, the belly gently presses in. With the breath in, it will naturally relax. Take a breath in. Exhale out. Breathe in and out. Inhaling, I am, 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 am, I am, I am, I am, I am, I am, I am, am, I am, I am, I am, I am, I am. Inhaling, exhaling, breathing in and out. Inhale, M I M I M I M I M I M I M I M M I M I M I M I M M I M I M I M I M I M I M M I M I M I M I M I M I M I M. Inhale and exhale. Just take a moment. You can continue without pausing when this becomes comfortable for you. And take a moment with your breath being natural. Notice how this feels. Feel the energy and the heat we've created with Breath of Fire. And opening your eyes. Our final breathing technique is called alternate nostril breathing. This balances the right and left hemispheres of the brain. It awakens all the channels of energy that run through the body. And this is a beautiful breathing technique that we can do right before we go into meditation. Make sure that you're sitting upright and that your ears are aligned with the shoulders. Let's begin by bringing your right arm up with your index and middle finger in between the eyebrows, and then slide your fingers up slightly above the brow bone. You can cross your left arm in front of your body with your thumb and index finger gently touching, resting the back of the upper arm just above the elbow on your left, relaxing both shoulders back and down. Covering your right nostril with your thumb, we'll begin the first round by inhaling through our left nostril, and then cover and hold the left nostril with the ring and small finger, and the right nostril is held shut. You're holding the breath. Raise the thumb, exhale out right nostril. Inhale right nostril. Cover and hold. Remember to keep your tongue at fire point. Exhale left nostril, completing the first round. Start another round. Inhaling left nostril. And then cover and hold. Exhale right nostril. And inhale right nostril, cover and hold. Exhale left nostril. This completes the second round. And then inhale left nostril, cover and hold. And now let's add a count to alternate nostril breathing. Inhaling for 2 counts, holding for 8, exhaling for 4, inhaling for 2, holding for 8, exhaling for 4. So let's begin. Raising your thumb, exhale right nostril. And inhale right nostril, cover and hold. Exhaling left nostril. Inhaling left nostril, 1, 2, holding for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhaling right nostril, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale right nostril, 1, 2, hold for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale left, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale left nostril, 1, 2, hold for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale right, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale right, 1, 2, cover, hold, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale left, 4, 3, 2, 1. With your eyes closed, bring your hands back down and notice how the area around your forehead and brain feel. Take a moment to receive the benefits of alternate nostril breathing as we've calmed and cleared the mind. Now opening your eyes, these are the breathing techniques that we will add into our daily meditation routine. Practicing these breathing techniques will bring about wonderful changes in your life. You will notice a difference in how you feel, look, and how you live your life.